Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. You are looking at a 12 by 12 canvas, and I'm going to put some black and some Anita's white metallic on there because I still want to experience what can be done with an already dry canvas and a fresh set of black and white background marks. I'm going to try and cover all that so it's a similar finish. And then I'm going to give myself permission to have some fun with a shovel. I kind of like that already. I'm going to wipe that off so I can use it again if I need to. And I'm going to grab one of my two shovels, and how about I put that over here? And I'm going to give myself some gold. Well, I would if it would come out, but I guess I've got a bigger bottle of that if I want some. So I'm going to give myself some gold, throw some magenta that has iridescent pearl medium in it. It's fine from Folk Art. And I have this Modern Masters metallic-ish. It's iridescent, but it's really got a lot of blood quality to it. It just looks bloody. And I'm going to throw some of my black enamel in there. And then maybe some lighter magenta that's had more pearl added to it. Doesn't look like that got shook very well. And then maybe I'll finish up. The gold is coming out now. Maybe I'll finish up with some gold and a little bit of this other red. So it's all reds and blacks and white. And I'm probably going to do that again, but for right now, I just want to play. Lots of things will sell with the gold and the black and the white, so this is probably no exception. And however far I tip this, the further I spread it out, the more likely I am to be able to add something else again. And I haven't gone so far that I'm not thinking I want to add some orange in there, because I really like the orange with it. Now I definitely could be using an edge catcher. And I think I am going to throw some orange in there. I've got some orange that's added to some gold, 24 karat gold, Deco-Art, and some more orange that's left over from Arteza. I'm going to throw a little bit more of that Modern Masters in there, and I'm going to throw some regular magenta that's from Golden in, and a little more gold, a little more white, and a little more black. And I think I'm going to throw some of this, maybe not. I thought I was. You know what, I'm going to throw some of my favorite color shifting purple in there, just because I can. And then I'm just going to ribbon pour until my shovel more or less drains. Let that go down. So I've got two distinctly different patterns created two distinctly different ways, and that was pretty much probably in the back of my head, but it wasn't the absolute plan to begin with. Now I've got basting brushes, I've got chain, I can do more straw moving. I can definitely add more paint to my shovel should I desire to. I like that purple more than I thought I would even. Not that that's really likely. And I've got a purple around here that I'm looking for there. I got it. And I like that a lot. And I think I'm going to just give myself permission to put some of that wherever I feel like it. When don't I? It's not coming out anymore. Now it's coming out. So I'm just going to continue on. My shovel's beautiful. And do what I've been doing. I'm going to add a little bit less of that. Oh, another one with a plug. It's not plug enough for me to work at it too hard. And I want some more of that gold. And why don't I have, there's what I'm looking for right there. The bright orange. I don't often dribble, but they look kind of like cells, so why not play? And I could put a little black in there easily enough. And it is black enamel, so that means it will probably create some kind of cells. And this is just for fun. This is definitely for fun. See if I can dribble and create some more texture. I haven't tipped the last thing that I put on there. I am just dribbling. But it's kind of cool. It's definitely like painting a composition, as in I'm composing. And I do use GAC 800 by Golden, so it does mean that I don't have to actually continue to tip or continue to do anything realistically, because the GAC 800 by Golden will keep the paint from cracking while it dries. So I think I'm just going to take the paint in my shovel and add a few things here and there in the way of dots and texture and call it good and fun. It's a small canvas, so it didn't have to take me that long. I do sell my artwork, and if you're interested in finding out more about any piece of artwork, look for the hashtag at the end of the title and use the email address directly under the video. Viewership is down, but I have 86,000 subscribers. We're trying to deal with that. I don't think I need anything else. I like the composition. I'm going to stop now, even though I'm not even moving that purple around much. Yeah, maybe just a couple. Maybe just around the corner. So I like what I've got, and I'm going to trust my instincts. And I'm going to tell you guys I have Facebook groups. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors is for anybody looking for the edited wet and dry artworks from YouTube. In the albums there, I don't have all of them, but I have some. I love you guys. Please give me a thumbs up, and if you are willing to help me out, watching the videos longer is supposed to be of assistance. And there are 1,310 videos, and if you go to playlists on my channel and created playlists, you'll find them organized by the 100 and also by the genre, so you can pick your topic and whatever you like. This one will be in abstracts and might be in tilted, and it's definitely different than most other things I've done. If you binge watch, you might help me out. If you binge watch, you might hurt me. I'm not sure anymore how that's going to work. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, and the paint pouring recipe are directly under the video. And shopping my Amazon link, the first blue link under Show More under the video, helps me out, and it costs you nothing extra. And I really appreciate all the help I can get. I have 2 books there too. One is called Because I Can, and the other one is called Unlimited Possibilities. I love you guys. I'm sure I missed something. Check your notifications. They get turned off. If you want to find tomorrow's videos, look on my community board on my YouTube channel, or look on Facebook group Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group. I like to post tomorrow's videos there. I will be giving lessons again as soon as this pandemic is over and we're all allowed to have social connections again. Thank you guys for the donations that have kept me painting. And if you'd like to donate to help keep the studio rolling, I could use some help. And there's a drawing that you can see the prizes for on the exhibition video on the end screens in the last 20 seconds of this video anytime you're looking for it. And PayPal and Patreon links are underneath the video and also on my channel header. And it's a $10 minimum donation to get in, but this month there's 5 paintings to choose, and you'll be able to choose one if you're the drawing winner. And other than that, you'll know at any given point time in any given month by looking at that exhibition video what the prizes are. So I'm good to go, and I love you guys, and I'll see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Zooming in a little bit. Priscilla out. This is fun. I like this. Thank you guys for joining me. I'll see you soon. Hopefully tomorrow. Bye now.